Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, trip computer, power door locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.